Hey guys, and today you can see what I'm going to be playing by the title and what's on my screen. Last time I played Roblox Among Us, some of you have requested that I should play the real game. I just downloaded the real game today and I'm going to play it for you guys. So let's get into the game. So I'm pressing online. Then I need to press find games. Now I need to get one that's not full, like this one. Now it didn't say the game was full. Oh, that's why. Let me just join this one. You have to be kidding. Which one? How about this one? Okay. Oh, I already started, that's why. Like and subscribe if you want me to do a live stream with some of you guys on Among Us. Oh, I didn't even press again. 5 out of 9. Okay, guys, I'm inside of the game. I didn't really name myself, so my name is just Player. Anyway, what am I? I am a crewmate, and there's one imposter. So I already know what I'm gonna go for first. First, I'm gonna go and do my swipe card, which is inside of here. Okay. I thought it was gonna kill me though. Anyway, let's use it. Oh my gosh. What the? Someone pressed the emergency button for no reason. I was gonna do that task. Ours will be black and admin. I'm gonna skip the vote because I really don't know what's happening. Oh my gosh. I bet he wasn't the imposter. Yeah, he wasn't. He left the game. He rage quitted. Now I need to do swipe card. Okay. I don't know why people say that this one's hard. It's easy. Oh my gosh. You have to be kidding me. Everyone's gonna be coming here. 85587, correct? I put 87. Oh, it's already finished. Can I exit this? Can I? Yeah. But who cares? Anyway, so do I have to do this one? I have to do a task in electrically. Pull this up. By the way, guys, I have experience in this game. I've been watching YouTube play. Oh, why? I don't even know how to spell. There. Anyway, I don't know why these guys are. I don't know. I don't have anything to vote anyone with, so I'm just gonna skip again. I really wish I was talking to these guys on Discord. It would be much easier. Come on, vote! Toggle man. I bet he's doing that because he's going to be voted off. Oh man, are people still talking? He voted. Oh, no one was ejected. So we're still playing. I have to go all the way back to He's very loud. He's very loud. He's very loud. He's very loud. Oh man. Finally our body was found. Oh no, our body. So Cooney died. Hold on, I'm gonna say in the chat who was it? Come on. Who was it?
That's right. Okay, she was a nice one now.
It was in the O2.
No, wait, you cut your hair.
Wait, it was in the O2. Hold on, where's the O2? The O2 is like on the right of the cafeteria. I was nowhere near there. I was below to the left. I was bottom left doing the filters. I'm gonna skip the vote because same thing, I don't have no evidence. I haven't recorded in 1 week. I've just been waiting for it to download, that's why. But hopefully I'll be recording lately. Oh man. And now I have to go all the way back again and again. You have to be. I'm not fixing that. Other people can fix that themselves. I'm trying to finish off my task. That you guys distract. I don't understand what's this? Okay, task completed. Now where do I have to go? I'm just trying to do all of my tasks and survive. Do I have to do the same thing? No. I just saw Pink run by and... Is that it? Yes. So now, I have a task in the cafeteria. So right now I'm heading to the cafeteria. Where's my task? Here it is.
You need to send it to company. I need to change the picture.
Okay.
Your
So I have to do 2 cafeteria tasks. Then I'm finished doing all of my tasks. Then after that I'll have to start investigating. Done. Next one. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's calm. My task is right in the cafeteria. Ah. I don't know. It's black. You think it's black? Well, I'm going with you.
Your number.
No one's even suspecting me.
That was too funny. What?
And guys, like and subscribe if next time I play Among Us, you want me to be the imposter. And I'll be tricking people. Yes. 0 imposters remain. Yes, guys. We won. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. You know what to do. You know what I'm gonna say. Bye.